Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the rear wheel studs. To change the back shock absorbers on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Brush the lower shock absorber retaining screw, then spray it with penetrating oil. Using a 17mm spanner, unscrew the lock nut holding the lower part of the shock absorber. Open the boot, then remove the hatch giving access to the upper shock absorber retaining nut. Brush the shock absorber head nut and spray it with penetrating oil. Using an adjustable spanner, hold the shock absorber rod and unscrew the nut with a 17mm spanner. Remove the nut. Remove the washer. Remove the upper silent block. Remove the lower part of the shock absorber by prying it out using a crowbar. You can now extract the shock absorber. Remove the lower silent block from the old shock absorber. Remove the first spacer using pliers. Then remove the bottom washer and the second spacer. Remove the dust coat.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take your new shock absorber. Before installing the new shock absorbers, it is necessary to prime them by pressing the shock absorber rod vertically so that the gas and the hydraulic fluid are separated. Unscrew the lock nut on the stem. Then install the dust coat on the rod. Then install the first spacer, the lower washer, the second spacer, the lower silent block. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Then insert the lower part. Put the washer in place. Start to screw the nut in a little. Put the upper strap mount back in place. Put the washer in place. Start to screw the nut in a little. In order not to damage the silent blocks, it is necessary to tighten the retaining bolts with the rear axle in the vehicle on the ground position. Lift the rear axle with a jack. Once under pressure, finish tightening the lower retaining nut using a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and plug the wheel securely. You can finish tightening the nut holding the strut mount front with the vehicle on the ground and using a torque wrench. Put the access hatch back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.